If I had to start from $0 in 2025, no savings, no connections, and no fancy tools. Here's exactly what I would do to build a successful online business and start making money fast. Stay till the end, because I will share the strategy that can make you your first $1,000 online. Step 1. Build free skills. The first thing I do is learn a skill that's in demand, and I wouldn't pay for expensive courses. I'd go to YouTube, Google, and free platforms to learn skills like social media management, content creation, copywriting, video editing, because in 2025, skills equals money, and the internet gives you everything you need for free. Step 2. Make quick cash with no investment. Now, how do I make money with zero investment? I'd start as a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Offer simple services like social media posting, writing captions, or editing short videos. Use Canva for free designs, CapCut for video editing, and ChatGPT for writing. This way I can start making $10, $20, even $50 per gig within the first week. Step 3. Build a digital presence. While I'm making some quick money, I'd start building my personal brand. Create a TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube channel. Post daily content about what I'm learning and doing, because attention equals money. This doesn't cost $1, but can bring in clients and opportunities for free. Step 4. Start an automated online business. Once I have some income, I'd reinvest into automation. Print on demand gives create t-shirts, mugs, and sell them online with no inventory. Affiliate marketing gives promote products you love and earn commission. YouTube automation gives faceless videos with AI tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or ChatGPT scripts. These businesses run 24/7, even while you sleep. Step 5. Scale with content and ads. After I start earning $500, $1,000, I'd scale up. Invest in ads to grow faster. Hire a virtual assistant to save time. Focus on content that builds trust and drives sales. Remember, scaling is about systems, not working more hours. If I had to start from $0 in 2025, that's exactly what I'd do: learn skills. Earn fast, build a brand, automate, and scale. Which step will you start with? Comment below. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe and watch my next video on profit pathways.